Welcome to Amina-Pro. I bet you didn't know the secret to effortless weight loss. Ever wondered why hydration is such a big deal? Let's dive into 11 amazing benefits of drinking enough water. First up, glowing skin. Water keeps your skin hydrated, reducing wrinkles and giving you that radiant look. Your skin will thank you. Next, digestion. Water aids in breaking down food, making digestion smoother. Say goodbye to bloating and constipation. And who doesn't want more energy? Staying hydrated helps fight fatigue, keeping you alert and pumped throughout the day. Water also boosts brain function. It keeps your mind sharp and improves concentration. Perfect for those busy workdays. Feeling hungry? Sometimes it's just thirst. Drinking water can help curb those unnecessary cravings, aiding in weight management. Then there's joint health. Water keeps your joints lubricated, reducing pain and improving mobility. Another biggie? Detoxification. Water helps flush out toxins, giving your body a natural cleanse. Improved kidney function. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys filter waste more effectively. Better mood. Dehydration can lead to mood swings and stress. Drink up to stay positive and happy. Heart health. Water helps maintain the balance of bodily fluids, reducing the risk of heart issues. Finally, body temperature regulation. Water helps keep you cool, especially during workouts or hot days. So there you have it. 11 fantastic reasons to drink more water every day. Click the link in the description for more tips and benefits. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.